Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to introduce top 10 colleges under Wave G, that is West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination. My review is based on the session my 2019-20. These are the following things you will able to know after watching this video. First is ranking, placement, campus environment, package, fee structure, rating, and the cutoff of every college. So let us start with the first one that comes under WebG Jadavpur University, the dream college for every WebG aspirant. It has a NIRF rank of 12. Cutoff of this college goes to 2500, but for CSC branch the cutoff is only 500. Average package is 9 to 10 lakh. Fee is nominal 2500 per year. Rating is 9 out of 10. It is a government college. The highest package of this college is 42 lakh. It has ranked number 2 after IIT Kharagpur in West Bengal. The admission in this college is possible only through WebG. That is, you can't get admission in this college through management quota or JEE main. That's it about Jadavpur University. The next college that comes under WebG is IEM Kolkata, Institute of Engineering and Management. It has an NIRF rank of 191. Cutoff goes to 6000 across branch, but for CSC the cutoff is only 2000 rank. Admission in this college can be possible through WebG, JEE Main, Management Quota, any one of these. Fee structure is 1 lakh per year because it is a private college. Rating is 8 out of 10. Average package 5 lakh per annum, and the highest is 40 lakh per annum. That's it about IEM Kolkata. The third college that comes under WebG is Heritage Institute of Technology. It has a NIRF rank of 154. Cutoff goes to 9000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 4000. Average package is 4.5 lakh. Rating is 8 out of 10. Fee structure is 1 lakh per year, and the admission can be possible through WebG, JEE Main, Management Quota. It is a private college and the highest package goes to 15 lakh per annum. The next college that comes under WebG is Techno India Salt Lake. It has a cutoff of 15,000, but for CSC the cutoff is only 5 to 6,000. Admission can be possible through WebG, JEE Main, Management Quota. Average package is 4 lakh. Rating 7.5 out of 10. Fee structure is 1 lakh per annum because it is also a private college, and the highest package is 12 lakh. The next college that comes under WebG is Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University. It has a NIRF rank of 157. Admission can be possible through WebG, JEE Main, Management Quota. Average package is 4 lakh. Cutoff goes to 4000 rank, but for CSC it is nearly to 2000 rank. Rating is 7.5 out of 10. Fee is 25,000 per year because it is a government college. Highest package is 13 lakh per annum. The next college that comes under WebG is Academy of Technology, also known as AOT. The NIRF rank of this college is 152. Admission through JEE Main, WebG and Management Quota. Average package is 4 lakh. The cutoff goes to 40k across branches, but for CSC you have to score less than 12,000 rank. Here the placement is very good, that is 90% of students got placed. The highest is 12 lakh, fee structure is 82,000 per year, and the rating is 7.5 lakh, 7.5 out of 10, and it is also a private college. The next college that comes under WebG is Haldia Institute of Technology. It has a NIRF rank of 163. The cutoff for this college is 25,000 across branch, but for CSC the cutoff is only 8,000. Average package is 3 lakh, which is below average. Rating is 7 out of 10. Admission can be possible through WebG JEE Main Management quota, and the fee structure is 90,000 per year. The highest package is 10 lakh. The next college that comes under WebG is RCC Institute of Technology. It is situated in Salt Lake. The cutoff of this college is 50,000 across branch, but for CSC it is nearly 15,000. The fee structure of this college is 1 lakh per annum because it is also a private college. Average package is 3 lakh per year. Admission can be possible through WebG JEE Main and Management quota. The rating of this college is 7 out of 10, and the highest package of this college is 10 lakh. The next college that comes under WebG is Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology. The cutoff for this college is 50,000, but for CSC it is nearly 20,000 rank. The fee structure is 1 lakh per annum, as it is also a private college. Average package is 2.7, which is another below average. Highest package is 9 lakh, rating 6.5 out of 10. Admission can be possible through WebG JEE Main and Management quota. The next and last college under WebG is the 10th number college, Meghnad Saha Institute of Technology. The cutoff rank of this college is 55,000. Average package lies between 2.7 to 3 lakh. Highest is 7 lakh. Fee is 90,000 per year. Admission can be possible through WebG JEE Main and Management quota. These are the top 10 colleges under WebG. One should choose only these colleges if possible, because other colleges are not very good under WebG. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching for more information.